Hey guys, what's going on? This is all natural Snapple peach tea. Definitely one of my most favorite drinks in the world. Delicious and very refreshing. So Snapple is all natural. This is the upper, oh that's cute, this is the peach. It says upper peach side and it's like a picture of New York in the background. Very cute. This is absolutely delicious. My favorite Snapple iced teas are raspberry and peach. I always chose this as my drink as a kid. Of course now I don't drink it as much as I used to because of the amount of sugar in it, but it's definitely better for you than soda and like other super sugary drinks. So, and at least the flavors are all natural, so that's good. So it's gluten-free. Nutrition facts: serving size 1 bottle, 160 calories, total fat 0 grams, sodium 10 milligrams, total carbs 40 grams, sugar 39 grams. So like I said, that's why I don't drink this all the time, just special occasions for a treat. I love it with a bagel in the morning. If my husband gets bagels for breakfast, he'll get these Snapples with it, and they go, of course it goes good with a bagel, but it goes good with anything anything else too. Egg and cheese, lunch, dinner. Our Real tea starts with the finest tea leaves and is made from filtered water, sugar, citric acid, tea, and natural flavors. Produced under the authority of Snapple Beverage Corporation, 5301 Legacy Drive, Plano, Texas. So always shake before opening, shake it, then shake the bottle too. Settling is natural, refrigerate after opening, and it is kosher. The K for kosher on the side. This is a 16 ounce, 160 calories per bottle. This is a plastic bottle. I was just thinking, I don't know why they switched to plastic instead of glass. I mean, at least it's still recyclable, but I would prefer a glass bottle just because you could either reuse them, or I also heard during shipping, if it's like heat or anything like that, sometimes that can disintegrate into the bottle and get into the drink, so that scared me a little bit. But still, great product. Very easy to take with you, put in your purse, lunchbox, backpack, you know, pack with your school, with your kids' lunch or whatever the case is. Pack with your own lunch. They say if you can't make it here, you can make it anywhere, but New York is the only place where we could have created our uniquely tasty teas made from the best stuff on earth. And since our start, we've been serving a flavor as big as the city itself. So go on, fellow New Yorker, drink it all in your very own bottle of peachy perfection and forget about it, pits. So this is the New York Collector's Edition bottle. There's 3 of 7. If you don't live in New York, I guess they probably have different labels or just the regular label, but kind of cute. I'm going to open this up, and usually they have their Snapple facts. There we go. Which I think they're pretty popular for. Real fact number 1445, a single lightning bolt contains enough energy to cook 100,000 pieces of toast. That's interesting. They usually have like the little Snapple facts on the back of the top that, you know, you would never really think of, so that's kind of cool. Safety button pops up when original seal is broken. Rejected button is up. Refrigerate after opening. So Snapple is really delicious, and like I said, I think it's better than having soda or something like that. So you could feel not as guilty about packing this in your child's lunchbox as you would about giving them soda or something like that. And it's a good size, 16 ounces, so could, you know, get, like if you're, you know, sharing this or something, get a couple cups out of it. So I think it's a perfect size. And the peach tea is delicious. If you don't like peach, they also have raspberry, which is my other favorite. 160, it's more, this is a little more calories, sugar, and carbs, just a little bit more than the raspberry, but you could also get diet Snapple if you like diet. I just don't like anything diet because I don't like that fake sugar taste, but I know a lot of people do, so you could get, I'm pretty sure they make diet peach, diet raspberry, diet lemon, and so on and so forth. They also have like a half and half lemonade, half iced tea flavor. I think they have an orange flavor. The list kind of goes on and on, but this is great for just any time. And then of course it's tea, so it has caffeine, so it's a great pick-me-up too, and can enjoy it anytime. Super refreshing. So I hope you guys try out Snapple All Natural Peach Tea, and I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks so much for watching, guys.